minister for God.
Le ministre pour Dieu
Must be a man or
doit
a woman
être
of
un
prayer.
homme ou une femme
A man or a woman of
un
prayer.
homme ou une femme de
If
prière.
not, he has no mandate to.
Sinon, il n'a aucun mandat de prêcher.
No one has a right
Personne n'a le droit
to stand before
de
men
se tenir devant les hommes
until he has stood before God.
jusqu'à ce qu'il se soit tenu devant Dieu.
As the work grows,
À mesure que l'œuvre grandit,
the leader must grow.
il faut que le dirigeant grandisse.
If the leader grows,
Si le dirigeant grandit,
the work will grow.
l'œuvre va grandir.
Like, subscribe, share, and click on the bell icon.
If the church is not working,
即係一樣，如果教會呢係唔
there's only one
妥嘅
person.
時候，即係嗰個人係要負呢個責任，
There's one person to blame,
即係嗰個人係要係歸責佢，
the head of the church.
就係教會嘅頭。
If the ministry is not working,
即係如果教會嘅領導階層係唔
there's one
妥
person，to blame,
即係嗰個人可以負呢
the
個
head
責
of the
任，
ministry.
就係呢個嘅係事工嘅頭。
It must fail at the top in order to fail at the bottom.
即係話喺個頭上邊係要成功，先至下邊呢就係可以成功嘅。
It must fail at the top in order to fail at the bottom.
即係話呢上邊呢係要再係達到嗰個目標，先至下低嗰層呢可以達成嘅目
And if
標
it。succeeds at the top, the success will flow
啊，
through.
嗰個頭呢又成功呢，嗰個成功嘅靈呢會傳達到整個嘅身體。
The head determines what happens.
嗰個頭呢佢會決定一切嘅運作。
The leader is determinant.
嗰個領導呢佢係主要嘅決定者，
The leader is determinant.
即係個領導者呢係主要嘅係決定者，
The leader is determinant and the leaders are determinant.
就係佢係決定者，佢要帶領一切呢跟從。
If it's not working,
如果唔妥嘅時候呢，
if,
又唔
if
通呢
the goal is not being accomplished,
即係如果個目標呢係冇達成嘅話呢，
it is because the enemy is attacking.
呢個係由於個攻擊係就係嗰個仇敵呢係正在攻擊嗰頭。
All attacks are two planes.
咁啊就係所有嘅攻擊呢就係有兩個嘅層面。
There's the spiritual plane of attack and then there's the physical plane of attack.
咁有一個嘅屬靈嘅層面，亦都係一個嘅肉體上嘅物質上嘅，就係佢嘅攻擊。
In Exodus chapter 17,
咁喺呢個嘅出埃及記嘅第16章，就係第17章，係從第8節 Exodus。
the Amalekites came and attacked the Israelites and raped them.
那是亞瑪力人來在利非定和以色列人爭戰。
The enemy attacked.
當時敵人呢係攻
The,
擊
the
爭戰，
enemy attacked the people of God.
就係嗰個敵人係嚟攻擊神嘅百姓。
And the enemy is attacking the people of God all over.
今日個仇敵呢就到處都係攻擊緊神嘅子民。
And the enemy is attacking the work of God all over.
今日到處呢有仇敵呢係正在攻擊神嘅事工。
The enemy is on the attack.
佢話呢個嘅仇敵呢係不斷嘅攻擊，
The enemy is on the attack.
呢個嘅仇敵係不斷嘅
So
攻
he
擊，
came and attacked Israel.
所以佢嚟攻擊以色列嘅。
Verse 9.
第9節，
Moses said, okay, now I am going to take the people to war.
摩西呢就係對約書話，就係佢就係話我要去爭戰嘅。
I'm the number one leader.
咁第一個嘅領導者呢，
I will go before the Amalekites.
我會喺嗰啲亞瑪力人嘅之前，我會
And
係帶領佢
I'll
哋，
go with the great army.
我會帶一個好大嘅軍隊去到
And
佢哋
when
嘅
they
面
see
前。
me,
當嗰啲亞瑪力人見到我同埋見到嘅軍隊嘅時候呢，
they will surrender.
佢哋一定會投降。
If Moses did that,
假如你摩西咁樣做嘅話呢，
he would have been smashed, crushed, defeated.
佢會一敗塗地。
Moses recognized that the battle was at two planes.
因為摩西佢自己認識呢一點呢，就係呢個嘅爭戰係有兩個嘅層面。
He recognized that there was a spiritual battle and there was a physical
佢
battle.
認識到有屬靈嘅爭戰，亦都呢有一個係呢個嘅屬地上嘅實質嘅爭戰。
He recognized that there was an invisible enemy and a visible
佢
enemy.
認識到有一個嘅仇敵係肉 眼見唔到，一個嘅仇敵呢，肉眼係見得到。
Moses said to Joshua, Joshua was the number 2 leader.
約書亞係第二個嘅領導者，所以摩西對佢咁樣講說話。
Moses was number 1, Joshua was number 2.
摩西係第一，約書亞係第二。
Moses said to Joshua, choose some of our men and go and fight the Amalekites.
摩西喺第9節對約書亞說：你為我們選出人來出去和亞瑪力人爭戰。
Moses commanded Joshua.
就係摩西佢就吩咐約書亞。
We live in a generation where clear instructions are not given to people.
一個嘅時候呢，就我哋要把嗰啲嘅就指示呢，嗰啲嘅命令呢，好清晰俾人知。
So people are guessing.
即係好多時啲人喺度係即係估都唔知要點樣做。
They don't know what the leader wants.
佢哋唔知個領導者係要做乜嘢嘅。
There are wives who don't know what the husband wants.
有好多嘅做妻子都唔知個丈夫要乜嘢嘅。
There are wives who don't know what the husband wants.
好多嘅妻子都唔知個老公係要做乜嘢嘅。
There are no clear instructions.
即係因為呢缺乏有好清楚嘅指
It
示。
is the responsibility of leadership to give clear instructions.
呢個嘅領導者佢嘅責任咧要好清楚咧，要
It
指
is
示
the
人。
responsibility of leadership to give clear instructions.
呢個嘅領導者咧，佢一個嘅責任要清清楚楚，要指示要點樣做。
In fact, it is the responsibility of leadership to command.
甚至佢嘅責任咧就係要發出命令。
It is the responsibility of the leadership to command.
即係話個領導者咧，佢嘅責任咧係要發出命令。
Unless leadership commands,
即係如果領導者唔發出命令嘅話咧，
leadership is confusing issues.
咁啊嗰個領導者咧，佢就會令到呢嗰個局勢咧好混亂嘅。
Unless leadership provides clear instructions, clear commands, leadership is confusing issues.
一直到嗰個領導階層咧，就俾你好清楚、好明確嘅吩咐命令嘅時候，如果唔係咧，就會令到咧就係下層嘅人會好混亂嘅。
I've been to 15 countries since I was here last time.
我自從7次嚟到香港，我已經去咗15個嘅唔同嘅國家。
I spent almost a month in India teaching on prayer in 8 cities.
咁我喺印度呢，花費1個月嘅時間去到8個嘅城市，教導嘅題目呢就係祈禱。
I was in Europe and I was in the US and in most of Africa.
我亦都去咗歐洲，亦都去咗美洲呢、美國呢，同埋呢大部分嘅時間就喺非洲。
That very often the leaders are not giving clear
即
instructions.
係我發現呢，到處呢係好普遍嘅問題，嗰啲嘅做領導嘅人呢，佢哋所俾嘅指示係唔清楚。
Whether in the home or in the church or in
呢個
the ministry, all over.
無論係家庭又係啊，教會又係啊，或者事工又係呢，到處都有呢個嘅問題嘅存在。
Often leaders expect a person to imagine what he wants.
好多時嗰啲領導者就係以為嗰啲嘅下層嘅人呢係會想像佢要點樣做。
How do you get into a man's heart to begin to know what is there?
你
If
點
the
樣
man will
可
not
以
give clear instructions.
入到一個嘅人嘅心係想像佢要做乜嘢？除非個人係俾你好清晰嘅指示，如果唔係你都唔知點樣做嘅。
The failure to give clear instructions is the reason for a lot of the confusion in the world, in the home, in the church, and all over.
因為呢嗰啲嘅指示呢係唔清楚呢，所以你無論係家庭、係教會，或者喺世界嘅各方面嘅即係情況呢，都係令到好多嘅事工係會失敗嘅。
Even when the leaders know what they should tell the people, they don't say it.
甚至有時啲領導者呢，佢哋知道應該俾啲人知道啲乜嘢，但係佢哋失敗，佢哋冇講得清楚。
They expect people to want. What does he want? What does he
咁啊
want?
啲人
Is
要
it
咁
this
樣
or that or
成
that
日
or
都
that or
諗
that
呢
or
樣
that?
諗嗰樣，都唔知佢到底要點樣做，即係呢個都係非常唔好嘅事情。
Moses did not do that.
但係摩西並冇咁樣做。
Amalek attacked.
亞瑪力就係呢啲嘅敵人咧，係攻擊以色列人嘅時候，
Moses was not afraid of Joshua.
摩西呢，佢又唔怕約書亞，
He didn't say, "Oh, how will he take it?"
佢就冇話諗住唔知約書亞會唔會接受我嘅提
If
議。
a number one man fears number two man, he has resigned by fearing.
如果第一個嘅領導者呢，佢怕第二位嘅領導嘅人嘅時候呢，佢已經係可以話等於投降，已經係失敗咗啦。
I'll never forget a lesson I learned when I was 21.
我永遠都會忘記當我21歲嘅時候，我係學到一個嘅功課。
I was at university in Sierra Leone.
當時呢，我係 Sierra Leone 就係非洲一個嘅城市，我係讀緊大學嘅時候。
There was a couple from Wales in Great Britain.
咁有一對夫婦，佢哋從英國嘅威爾斯嚟嘅。
I was standing with a man and a child.
咁我同嗰個男人同埋佢嘅細蚊仔一齊企喺度嘅時候呢，
The wife stood from the house
咁
and called him.
嗰個妻子呢就係從佢嘅屋企嘅門口呢，就叫佢過嚟。
She said, "Oh, I don't feel like cooking today. Can we go and eat that in the hotel?"
我話今日我真係唔想煮飯啊，我唔想煮餸，好唔好？我哋去酒店食餐好唔好啊？
And the hotel was 5 times more expensive.
但係嗰嘅酒店呢，就係食嘢呢，比屋企食嘢呢係貴得5倍咁犀利。
The man just gave a command, "Get into that kitchen."
咁嗰個男人呢，佢就命令佢嘅妻子話：你快啲入嗰個廚房。
I will continue talking.
我會繼續同我朋友傾偈啊。
After 40 minutes,
40分鐘之後呢，
she invited us to a fabulous
佢
supper.
都邀請我哋食一個好豐富嘅晚餐嘅喎。
I remember those powerful words, "Get into that kitchen."
我記得嗰啲説話好犀利呢，你快啲入到廚房啊！
It was not a rebuke.
都唔係話呢係鬧佢，
It was simply a leader executing his function.
佢一個好清楚一個領導者呢，佢執行佢嘅任務啊！
Moses said to Joshua,
摩西吩咐
"Choose some
佢
of
話
our men and go fight the Amalekites."
你為我選7人嚟出去同亞瑪力人去爭戰。
Amen.
阿們。
The number one leader and the number two leader consider that the people belong to them.
即係話呢個第一個同埋第二個嘅領導呢，即係嗰啲人，佢哋當呢啲嘅人係屬於佢哋嘅，
It was not choose some of my men.
唔係話我其中一部分嘅人，
It was not choose some of the men.
唔係話有一啲嘅男人啊，
Choose some of our men.
就係你要選擇我哋嘅男人。
The number one leader and consider that the work belongs not only to him but to them.
佢即係第一個嘅領導嘅人就摩西，佢唔當呢啲嘅就係嗰啲嘅以色列人係屬於佢，係屬於我哋咁多人嘅。
The work belongs to them.
所以呢個工作係大家嘅
And
工
the
作，呢
people belong to them.
啲嘅子民係大家嘅子民。
Choose some of our men
所以你要選擇
and go
我哋
out
嘅人
fight，the Amalekites.
你要出去同亞瑪力人去打仗。
Moses was saying,
就摩西講，
choose some of our men and go and fight the visible Amalekites.
你要而家選擇我哋嘅其中一部分嘅男人呢，然後呢要出去呢同我哋所見得到嘅亞瑪力人去打仗嘅。
Tomorrow I will stand on the top of the hill with the staff of God in my hands.
咁佢話呢，到明天嘅時候呢，我係手裏邊呢會拿着神嘅杖，
I will go to a hill
我會站喺個山頂上邊，
with the staff of God in my
我
hands,
喺手裏邊會拎住神嘅杖，
and I will fight the invisible Amalekites.
然後呢我會同佢哋見唔到嘅亞瑪力人喺度打仗爭戰。
You will fight the visible, I will fight the invisible.
你會同嗰啲見得到嘅亞瑪力人打仗，我會同嗰啲見唔到嘅亞瑪力人喺度打仗
And。the Amalekites will be crushed.
咁因此呢，嗰度亞瑪力人一定呢係會完全一敗塗地。
Moses decided to go to the place of prayer.
摩西佢決心要去到禱告嘅地方，
The hands lifted up
佢要舉高佢嘅雙手，
is the place of prayer.
呢個係就係象徵禱告嘅地方。
Moses said to Joshua,
摩西咁樣對約書亞咁樣話：
you go and use physical weapons.
即係你去用呢啲嘅係物質上嘅武器，
I will go and use the spiritual weapon
我
of
會用
prayer.
嗰啲嘅屬靈上嘅武器，嗰啲嘅屬靈嘅兵器。
The number one leader goes to a place of prayer.
第一個嘅領導者呢，佢係一個嘅禱告嘅地方。
The number one leader goes to a place of prayer.
第一個嘅領導人呢，佢就係一個嘅祈禱嘅
The
地方。
number one leader goes to a place of
第一
prayer.
個嘅領導者，佢係一個嘅禱告嘅地方。
And the number 2 leader goes to the place, the practical place.
第二個嘅領導者佢係一個嘅係實質嘅地方。
Who is the leader of the church?
教會嘅領導者係邊個呢？
The man who stays at the place of prayer.
即係嗰站喺禱告嘅崗位上，佢係領
The
導者。
person who is at the place of prayer is the leader.
即係嗰個禱告者呢，就係呢個教會嘅領導者。
Who is the head of the home?
係邊個係家庭嘅頭
The
呢？
person who is in the place of prayer for the home.
係嗰個為家庭禱告嘅人，佢就係家庭嘅頭。
If your wife is praying for the home while you are sleeping, the wife is the head.
嗱，如果譬如老公喺度瞓覺嘅時候，老婆呢係為屋企祈緊禱嘅時候呢，咁呢個老婆呢就係呢個家庭嘅頭。
The head is at the place of prayer.
因為呢家庭嘅就係嗰個禱告嘅人，
The head is at the place of
所以
prayer.
話家庭就係呢個嘅禱告嘅地方。
Who is the number 1 man in the church?
嗱，教會裏
Who
邊
is the leader?
第一個嘅人，第一個嘅頭係邊個呢？
The person who is at the place of
就
prayer.
係嗰個祈禱崗位上嘅人，就係嗰人就係啦嘛。
Moses chose the place of prayer
摩西佢站在禱告嘅山上，
as the place where primary leadership is to stand.
就係呢個嘅領導者應該主要站喺呢個嘅地方。
Moses decided that primary leadership is to fight primary war, and the primary war is fought with prayer.
嗱，摩西佢就係決心主要嘅爭戰呢，就係禱告嘅爭戰。佢已經決心要做出呢個主要嘅爭戰。
Primary war is the war that is fought by
即係
prayer.
話主要嘅打仗呢係用禱告去打嘅。
Secondary war is the war fought with guns.
咁次要嘅打仗呢就係用槍械嚟打仗嘅。
The primary leader fights the invisible enemy.
主要嘅呢爭戰呢係從嗰啲肉眼見唔到嘅敵人去爭戰嘅。
And the others fight the other enemies.
今日次要嘅爭戰呢，就係用嗰啲肉眼所見得到嘅人去打仗。
I will stand in the place of prayer.
所以摩西咁樣佢話呢，我會站喺山頂上邊嚟禱告。
Joshua took the people and fought with Amalekites.
咁啊，第十節跟住約書亞呢，佢就照摩西嘅説話去做呢，佢就係同亞瑪力人去爭戰
As
嘅。
Moses had ordered.
佢話呢係照着摩西對他所説的話行。
The number 2 leader executed the instructions of the number 1 leader.
第二個嘅領導嘅人呢，佢就係執行咗啦，就第一個嘅領導嘅吩咐。
There are many people who are under authority but who want to do their own thing.
即唔係嗰啲人係想要去做自己嘅嘢，唔係嗰啲人可以領導嘅。
When they're given instructions, they do something else.
嗱，即係嗰啲人咧，當人哋俾啲指示佢哋嘅，佢哋自己做自己嘅嘢，呢個唔係領導者。
It is an overthrow of leadership. It's a coup d'etat.
其實呢個可以話係一個嘅政變添，係一個嘅係推翻個領導當大層咧，就係去做自己嘅嘢咧，係唔啱嘅。
If you are the number 2 person, you put away your own ideas.
因為如果你係第二個嘅層面嘅領導者嘅話咧，你要放棄你自己嘅意圖，
And execute the ideas of the number 1 person.
你要執行咧第一個嘅領導、第一個嘅頭嘅指示。
If the number 1 person says go right and you decide to go left, you are confusing issues.
嗱，如果第一個嘅領導嘅就係第一個頭咧，佢話要向右咁樣行嘅時候，但你係向左咁樣行嘅時候，你令到個整個嘅局勢會混亂起嚟。
There's one leader.
只有一個嘅頭啫。
And we don't want to be led, you quit.
即係如果你唔想帶領別人嘅時候咧，你要跟從別人嘅。
One person cannot say, we'll go right, another person say, we'll go left, another person will go forward, we'll go backward, and then
唔可以一
there's
句又
confusion.
話我哋向右，一句又話我哋向左，一句話我哋向前，一句又話我哋向後，所以唔得，好混亂喎。
Joshua went and did as it was ordered.
喺第十節呢，於是約書話照摩西對他所說的話行。
Aaron was the number 3 leader,
咁第三個階層嘅領導者就係亞倫啦，
and Hur was the number 4 leader.
跟住第四呢，就係呢個嘅會議。
Moses at the place of prayer.
摩西係個禱告嘅崗位上，
Joshua was in the battlefront.
約書亞呢係個爭戰嘅前線。
Aaron and Hur were on the mountain
亞倫同埋會呢係喺個山上邊，
to sustain the number one person in prayer.
係要用禱告係維持呢，同埋呢托住第一個嘅係領導者。
So if there are 4 leaders,
所以呢度有4個嘅領導嘅人。
leader number 1 at the place of prayer,
第一個嘅領袖呢係祈禱嘅地方，
leader number 2 to carry out practical
第
operations,
二個呢佢要係執行呢啲實際嘅運
leader
作，
number 3 and leader number 4 to stand with leader number 1 in the place of
第
prayer.
3同埋第4位嘅領袖呢，就係要同第一個嘅領袖要站喺禱告嘅地方上邊。
So 3/4 of the leadership in prayer.
所以你可以話呢個領導階層呢，3/4係祈緊禱啊！
Out of 4 leaders,
係即係4個領導當中，
leader number 1 and 2 others must be at the place of prayer.
哦，即係第一個嘅領袖呢，同埋多2個嘅領袖都係祈禱嘅地方喎。
And the battle will be won.
咁樣做嘅時候，呢個嘅打仗一定會勝利喎。
There's no substitute for that. We have so much that is done in the energy of man.
係今日嘅教會嚟講呢，就好少會咁樣做。多數所做嘅工作呢，係完全係出自人嘅力量，
We have so much that is done with human skills,
好
technology,
多
and the rest.
係用人嘅技巧啊，或者現代嘅科技啊等等嘅方法去做。
But 3/4 of leadership is not at prayer.
但係呢，應該就係按照聖經嘅教導呢，3/4嘅教會嘅領袖呢，就係禱告嘅人。
Aaron and Hur went to the mountain.
亞倫同埋會議呢，就上咗山。
They didn't say, okay, Moses, you put up your hands.
咁啊，好，摩西你自己舉手得㗎啦。
You are getting tired.
而家你睇見你好攰啊，
You leave.
你快啲走啊！
Aaron, put up your hands.
亞倫啊，你對摩西舉手啊！
Okay, you are getting tired.
我而家好攰啊！
Hur, come on, put up your hands.
會呢，你就係嚟幫我舉手。
We'll do rotation.
即係佢哋咁樣話，我哋係會輪流呢，係幫助摩西。
If they did that,
如果咁樣做
the
嘅
enemy
話，
would have crushed Joshua.
嗰個嘅敵人呢一定呢會係打敗約書亞喺個戰場上邊。
The number 3 and number 4 leader were to help to sustain the hands of the number 1
第
leader.
3同埋第4嘅領袖呢，係要呢係負起第一個嘅領袖嘅雙手，
And not to replace him.
唔係話要代替佢，係話要扶持佢。
The number 3 and 4 were to sustain, to help the number 1
Dice.
to remain at the place of prayer.
第3同埋第4，佢哋係呢係要即係持守啊，佢哋係要維持支持佢喺呢個禱告嘅地方。
We are saying that the number 3 and number 4 are to help the number 1 to stay at prayer and not to replace him.
嗱，第3、第4呢就係唔應該去對替第一隻嘅領袖呢，但係呢就係要維持佢喺呢個祈禱嘅上邊。
The number 1 leader cannot be replaced at the place of prayer.
嗱，第一個嘅領導人呢，永遠都唔可以呢在祈禱嘅崗位上邊呢俾人代替嘅。
The number 1 leader cannot delegate praying to another person.
第一個嘅領導者呢，唔可以呢委派祈禱俾第二個嘅人就唔行唔通嘅。
The number 1 leader cannot delegate the responsibility of praying.
第一個嘅領導者呢，唔可以呢去委派呢個祈禱嘅責
He
任俾
must
別
be
人，
at the place of
佢
prayer.
自己事事都要喺祈禱嘅地方上
And
邊。
the co-leaders are to support him to
今
stay
日佢哋
there.
嘅核心嘅領袖呢，要喺嗰個地方要維持佢。
As if well, the co-leaders have to support him, to
Oh.
give him all that he needs to stay at the place of
所
prayer.
以似話呢，嗰啲核心嘅領導階層呢，一定呢要俾佢十足嘅支持，喺佢嘅祈禱嘅崗位上面去支持佢。
When the number 1 leader leaves the place of prayer, there is disaster.
嗱，當第一個嘅領導者呢離開呢個祈禱崗位嘅時候呢，跟住會有悲劇發生嘅。
When the number 1 leader leaves the place of prayer, there is
當
disaster.
第一個嘅領導者離開祈禱嘅崗位呢，一定有悲劇發生嘅。
When the number 1 leader leaves the place of prayer, he has surrendered the battle.
當第一個嘅領導者呢離開呢個祈禱嘅崗位嘅時候，佢已經係向敵人投降。
When the number 1 leader leaves the place of prayer, he has told the enemy, take over.
當第一個嘅領導者呢，佢就係離開呢個嘅祈禱嘅崗位嘅時候，係相當要對敵人咁樣話：好啦，你嚟接管，我投降。
The whole church can pray.
嗱，整個教會可以祈禱啊。
If the number one person is not in prayer,
但如果第一個嘅領導人唔祈禱嘅話呢，
the enemy will laugh.
咁嗰個敵人喺度會嘲笑教會嘅。
The enemy does not. The enemy says, "Who is praying?
咁啊，個敵人佢話：而家係邊個祈緊禱啊？
Who is praying?"
而家係邊個祈緊禱啊？
I hear there's prayer, but who is praying?
我聽到嘅祈緊禱，我聽到祈禱嘅聲音，但係到底係邊個喺度祈緊禱呢？
If the devil hears that, oh, the number one leader is not praying, but the people are praying.
嗱，如果個魔鬼呢就係即係聽到嗰啲嘅教會嘅會友喺度祈緊禱，但係嗰個領導嘅人唔祈禱嘅話呢，
He says that's not bad.
佢話都唔錯咁樣
Let
做，
them go on.
係由得佢哋咁樣玩
I
落
will
去，
win.
我一定會勝。
Oh, but when the number one leader is at prayer, when the number one leader is at prayer,
第一個嘅領導嘅人喺度祈禱嘅時候呢，
the devil says, "Oh, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad,
就
it's
即
bad."
係哇慘啊！哇，我想會即係早知魔鬼好驚。
The devil asks, "Who is praying?"
魔鬼呢就問到底邊個祈緊禱啊？
The devil does not tremble just that they are praying, but he asks, "Who is praying?"
魔鬼唔係因為聽到祈禱嘅聲音而覺得戰驚，佢但係呢發問一個問題：而家到底係邊個係祈緊禱？
Moses could not be substituted at the place of prayer.
就係講到祈禱嘅崗位上呢，冇人可以代替摩西嘅
The
説
number
話。
one leader cannot be substituted at the place of prayer.
第一個嘅領導者不能夠被人哋代替，就第一個嘅領導者不能夠被你代替。
Number one person must be at the place of
第
prayer.
一個嘅領導者呢，一定要時時喺祈禱嘅地方。
But if the number one person does not preach, there is no disaster.
但係如果一個人唔講道嘅時候，都唔會話咩悲劇發生，唔會有咩大嘅問題啊。
But if the number one person does not pray, there is
但係如果個
disaster.
頭得一個人呢，就唔禱告嘅話呢，就真係有悲劇，真係有慘嘅事情會發生嘅。
As long as Moses held up his hand, the Israelites were winning.
只要摩西一日係舉高手嚟對禱嘅時候呢，
But whenever he lowered his hands, the Amalekites were winning.
咁嗰啲嘅亞瑪力人呢，就係打緊即係打敗仗，但係摩西一放低手嘅時候呢，亞瑪力人呢就開始係打勝仗嘅。
Joshua was a very competent leader.
約書係一個嘅好有技巧嘅一個領袖。
Joshua was very competent.
約書相當之係做得好，靠得住。
And he must have piled a very competent army.
佢即係佢嘅軍隊呢，都相當係有精嘅、好精嘅軍隊。
And they must have fought with all their might.
咁佢哋係去爭戰嘅時候，用晒佢哋一切嘅力量去爭戰。
But the battle was not decided where Joshua was.
但係個戰爭嘅勝敗呢，唔係在乎約書亞本人嘅。
The battle was decided at the mountain.
戰爭嘅勝敗嘅因素呢，係在於嗰山上嘅禱告，
It was decided by the position of Moses'
係
hands.
在於摩西佢嘅手上嘅嗰個指勢咁樣決定勝同埋敗。
Hands up meant that he was praying.
就話佢舉高個手呢，就象徵就證實呢，佢係祈緊禱啊。
Hands down means that there was no prayer.
一放低手嘅時候係即係證實呢，祈禱已經停咗啦。
So when there was no prayer,
當唔係祈禱停嘅時
the
候呢，
Amalekites were winning.
亞瑪力人呢就係好容易呢，就係
When,
乘虛而入，可以打勝仗。
when there was prayer,
啊，當一有祈禱嘅聲音嘅時候
the
呢，
Israelites were winning.
咁嗰啲亞瑪力人呢，不斷嘅會係打敗，一定會被趕走。
The battle was decided at the place of prayer.
嗰嘅爭戰嘅勝敗呢，係在乎祈禱嘅地方嘅情況。
All battles are decided at the place of prayer.
所有嘅打仗、所有嘅戰爭嘅關鍵呢，就係祈禱嘅。
As I travel around, I see a lot of disaster.
嗱，當我到處去旅行呢，我見到好多嘅慘劇，好多嘅問題。
I see many pastors who have no time to pray.
我見到好多牧師忙碌到甚至祈禱嘅時間都冇，
They are so busy preaching,
佢又太忙碌到處去講道，
so busy organizing,
佢又忙碌到係組織嘅，
so busy raising funds.
佢又忙碌呢係到處係籌款，
And that's how to kill the work.
咁啊，因此其實會係毀滅呢個嘅神嘅工作咁樣做法。
And they tell some converts, you are intercessors.
嗱，嗰啲牧師委派嗰啲嘅初信嘅人話你哋做你哋做祈禱嘅工作，你哋做代禱嘅工作，我唔得閒做啊。
Listen,
你要聽住喎。
the person who sees the president is the person who wields power, isn't it? If you see the president, if
Yes.
you're in contact with the president, you have audience with the president, you have power.
即係話，如果你見到總統嘅時候呢，你當有機會同總統去溝通去講説話。
The number one person should be the one having constant audience with the president.
第一個嘅人，第一個嘅頭，應該同呢個嘅屬靈嘅總統呢，係由就我哋嘅神不斷去溝通去講説話。
And to put it in human language, God is the president.
即係用人嘅就比喻法呢，就話神係等於總統嘅。
So the number one person is to be constantly in communion with the president.
第一號嘅人物呢，就應該不斷嘅同我嘅城上面嘅總統嚟去溝通嘅，去講説話嘅。
And what he hears from the president, he then tells the people.
咁佢從總統所聽嘅一切嘅説話，佢會話俾我哋人聽。
But when the number one man says, I'm so busy, I have no time to go to the president.
嗱，但第一個嘅領導人啊，佢第一個嘅頭頭呢，佢話嗰個忙碌到甚至揾總統都冇時間冇機會嘅。
My wife, go and talk to the president.
老婆啊，你去同總統傾偈，我而家唔得閒啊，同佢見面喎。
And was some young converts, go and talk to the president.
有嗰啲嘅初神嘅弟兄姊妹啊，你哋去同總統去度傾下就得㗎啦。
I'm too busy to talk to the president.
我今日好忙，冇機會同佢總統去交通啊！我忙碌到好冇時間係抽空去見佢。
If a man did that,
如果個人咁樣做嘅話呢，
you think that something is wrong here, isn't
你
it?
會覺得呢個人呢就即係頭腦有問題係咪？
Who must be the president's presence?
邊個係要不斷嘅要站喺總統嘅跟前呢？
The number one person.
第一號嘅人物佢要喺度嘅。
It's as if things have gone wrong
嗱，如果好多人開始
around the world.
如果世界上到處好多問題呢？
Leadership is not concentrating on prayer.
嗰個問題嘅根源就係因為領袖嘅人，即係領導者呢，佢哋冇重視祈禱，係咁簡單。
Leadership is not making prayer the number one
即係
task.
話領導嘅人呢，佢哋都唔當祈禱係第一個嘅最優先嘅事要去處理。
Are the elders of this church specializing in prayer?
請問呢間教會嘅長老呢，係咪當係祈禱係佢哋嘅最專門嘅事項要做呢？
I hope they are.
我希望就係啦。
I hope they were chosen because they specialize in prayer.
我希望呢，佢哋係被選做長老，係因為呢，佢哋係祈禱嗰方面係最叻嘅。
Back home, we don't imagine.
就喺非洲嗰度，我哋都唔會話用想像咁樣諗嘢。
Before a person is appointed to anything, we look into his prayer life.
當一個嘅人未被委派去教會有任何嘅職事去侍奉嘅時候，我哋會好細心去研究呢個人嘅祈禱嘅生活係點樣嘅。
I am here because God asked me to go into China and pray.
我嚟呢度因為神係叫我入到中國大陸要祈禱。
And the people back home were praying that I would pray.
咁啊，嗰啲喺非洲嘅人都祈緊禱，希望我嚟中國都會祈禱啊。
When I get back,
當我翻去非洲嘅時候呢，
I will give account.
我會向佢哋有一個嘅交代。
The Lord asked me to pray for the planting of churches in China.
咁神叫我為咩祈禱啫？為咗在中國呢要植堂，即係要建立教會咁樣祈禱。
City by city.
即係一個城市就係嗰個城市。
I was praying for those things.
我為咗呢啲嘅事項嚟祈禱。
81 things.
一共有81個嘅事情。
For one city after another.
係為咗一個城市連續大個城市。
About churches being planted.
即係要祈禱呢，要在呢啲嘅城市，神會使到啲教會被建立起嚟。一共幾多時間
I prayed for a total of 80 hours, 23 minutes.
咁佢 喺呢幾日呢，就一共呢祈禱80個鐘頭呢零23分鐘嘅，從12月31號呢到4號為止。
And I prayed these things
咁我咁樣嘅祈禱呢，
for 530 places.
即係我一共為咗530嘅唔同嘅城市就係祈禱過啦。
When I get back, I will have to give an account.
因為當我翻去我自己教會呢，我要向嗰啲人要交代我嘅祈禱嘅即係成就。
Because the leader must give accounts.
因為做領導嘅人一定要有一個嘅交代。
I am the leader in our work.
因為我都係我哋嘅整個工作嘅頭噶嘛。
When I get back,
當我翻去嘅時候呢，
I will give an account to the other leaders.
我會對佢哋其他嘅領導呢俾一個嘅交代。
Because I am under authority.
因為呢，我係權柄之下。
The leader must be under authority.
嗰個領導人呢一定要喺權柄之下。
And the leader must be accountable.
領導人一定呢要付出一個嘅交代嘅項目。
So I will tell them, this is what I did in China.
所以我聽呢，我喺中國咁樣做咗呢啲嘅事情。
So that if someone else is sent by the Lord, he too must bring account.
所以如果神打發另外一個嘅人去侍奉嘅時候，呢個人都要係做一個嘅交賬。
The leader provides a model so that the other people will follow the model that he has
個
provided.
領導者會俾一個嘅模式，一個榜樣，叫人哋嚟跟從佢。
The leader provides the model.
領導者呢做一個嘅模式，係做一個嘅模型，陪大家可以睇得清楚，知道點樣做。
He must provide a model in prayer
佢一定要就係俾一個嘅祈禱嘅一個嘅榜樣，
in order that there will be a praying church.
令到呢個教會係一個嘅祈禱嘅教會。
The number 3, the number 4 man must totally back the leader.
第3、第4個嘅領導嘅人呢，就係完全要支持個嘅第一個嘅頭。
Both to pray
係第一係為咗要祈禱啊，
and to communicate the responsibility
第
to
二
pray.
呢，要將呢個祈禱嘅責任呢，要傳達俾其他嘅人知。
The number 1 leader says, we must pray. And all the leaders say, we must pray.
第一個嘅領導話，佢話我哋要祈禱，跟住其他嘅跟隨嘅領導就話我哋大家要去祈禱啊。
And the number 1 leader is the first person at the place of prayer.
第一個嘅領導就係第一個嘅祈禱嘅人上邊，
And he's the last person to go away.
佢係第一個嘅係到嗰個祈禱嘅地方係離開最後嘅人離開嘅。
And anybody who will not pray should be dismissed from leadership.
咁邊個呢唔祈禱嘅人呢，要即刻呢從領導嘅階層呢要被開除嘅。
Because leadership is not standing before men.
You
It
will-
is standing before God. It's
教
standing
會
before God.
嘅領導呢唔係話站喺人哋
Leadership
人哋睇見啦，
It's
係
a
站
call
喺
to
神嘅面
stand
前，
before God.
係要站喺神嘅面前為神。
Leadership is a call to stand before
因
God.
為領袖呢被神呼召呢要站喺神嘅面前。
The exercise of leadership is leading the people in the presence of God.
領袖嘅主要嘅角色呢，佢嘅運作呢要帶領啲人係到咗神嘅同在。
It is transacting business in the presence of God on behalf of the people.
對替嗰啲嘅子民呢，在神嘅同在當中呢，與神去交談，去呢係做一啲嘅事工。
Where that is not being done, there is confusion.
嗱，當呢教會嘅領袖呢冇咁樣做嘅時候呢，會係導致好多嘅混亂嘅局勢。
There can be proper organization, and
所以
I
話
thank God when there's proper organization.
不能夠又係一個好恰當嘅組織，而且神不能夠去做工作。如果嗰個領導者缺乏禱告嘅話，
There can be money, and we thank God when there's money.
嗱，我哋當然呢感謝神。如果有好多領導者呢係出現呢侍奉，我哋都會感謝神。
But when there is no prayer,
但係即使有多人嘅時候呢，如果佢哋缺乏祈禱嘅話呢，
it is a worldly structure.
都係一種嘅屬世嘅架構。
It cannot satisfy
呢
them.
個嘅架構呢，點樣都唔會令到神覺得滿足，同埋覺得神會係祝福嘅。
The distinctive mark is prayer.
但係呢個嘅主要嘅特點呢，可以睇得出嚟就係
Because
祈
in
禱。
prayer, there is flocking unto God.
因為係祈禱呢，係同神傾心吐意。
When Moses' hands were up, The Israelites are winning. When Moses now were down,
摩
the
西
Amalekites were
手正在舉高嘅時候呢，以色列人喺度會爭戰會勝利嘅。但摩西一放低手嘅時候呢，亞瑪力人佢哋嘅爭戰會勝利嘅。
Can you see Aaron on one side,
你可唔
on
可
the
以
other
想
side?
象摩西喺一邊，戶珥就喺第二邊嘅？
Hallelujah. Aaron did not say, but I want some glory.
可能佢話唔好啊，摩西你將少少嘅尊榮俾我，你
Why should I be holding your hand?
點解我咁樣要扶起你嘅手啫？
Just allow me to.
不如我自己，我舉過我嘅手，哇，好威水喎！
There would have been disaster.
如果咁樣我能咁樣做嘅時候，一定會有個悲劇。
The number one person must be in the place of prayer.
第一個嘅石頭，佢要喺個祈禱嘅地方上。
And the other leaders must be helping him to
其
pray
他嘅領導嘅人呢，要喺度幫助佢祈
and
禱，
strengthening him to pray.
係要即係支持佢，要堅固佢喺祈禱嗰方面。
If we recognize that we are fighting an invisible enemy,
只要我哋認識到呢，我哋同一個嘅係肉眼見唔到嘅敵人喺度打緊仗嘅時候
and，that our warfare is not carnal,
我哋嘅屬靈嘅兵器唔係靠血氣嘅，
but that it is mighty to the pulling down of
但
strongholds.
係大有能力可以將呢嗰啲高處嘅勢力呢可以扯咗落嚟。
Then we know that the arm of the flesh will fail.
咁要我哋又肯定知道人嘅膀臂呢，人嘅手一定會失敗嘅。
Strongholds are brought down by prayer and fasting.
我哋係靠祈禱同埋靠禁食呢，可以將佢哋堅固嘅堡壘呢係就攻陣，係使到佢哋投降。
Strongholds are brought down by fasting and praying.
佢哋堅固嘅營壘呢，因為禱告禁食呢係一定會破碎嘅。
And a man who will not pray, who will not fast, is useless in spiritual battle.
個嘅唔肯禁食、唔肯禱告嘅人喺屬靈嘅爭戰當中，佢一啲好處都冇。
It is not his muscles that matter.
唔係話佢嘅肌肉係幾咁犀利嘅，
It is not his pocket that matters.
唔係話佢嘅袋裏邊嘅錢技都係幾
It is
緊要，
not his physical looks that
唔係
matter.
話佢嘅貌容咧，佢嘅係佢
It
嘅
is
身
not
體
his
係
diploma that
唔係話
matters.
佢有咩嘅學位、咩嘅文憑，呢個唔緊要嘅。
There's only one thing that
只有一
matters.
件事係最關鍵嘅
Can
事
he
情，
overthrow principalities and
即
powers?
佢是否能夠呢，就係攻打呢嗰啲嘅宿中、嗰啲嘅屬靈空中掌權者嘅勢力，將佢哋呢係毀滅呢？
Can he unseat the devil?
佢是否能夠呢係將魔鬼呢，從佢嘅寶座呢，將佢推咗落嚟
Can
呢？
he command the devil to retreat?
佢可唔可以吩咐魔鬼，魔鬼就要退後呢？
Can he say, Satan, stop? And the devil will stop?
佢可唔可以話撒旦你要停步，咁魔鬼即刻會停步呢？
Can he say, Satan, you shall not pass here? And the devil will obey?
佢可唔可以就吩咐魔鬼話魔鬼可以經過呢度，跟住魔鬼撒旦一定要順從，可唔可以咁樣做呢？
These are things that cannot be done by beginners.
呢啲嘢呢係用自己嘅方法都做唔到嘅。
It is the work of spiritual
呢個係屬靈嘅運作，屬靈嘅工作。
spiritual giants,
呢個係屬靈嘅巨人先至可以做得到。
the generals of God,
呢啲係神耶和華軍隊嘅將軍可以做得到。
the generals in the army of God are men and women of prayer.
呢個係屬於耶和華軍隊裏邊佢哋嘅將軍、佢哋嘅司令，佢哋那係禱告嘅人先至係做司令。
The rest are of little consequence.
咁跟住呢嗰啲嘅果效呢，就係會好易呢會達成
The
嘅。
generals in the battles of God are men and women of
最
prayer.
緊要最個前線係嗰啲嘅司令、嗰啲嘅將軍，佢哋係禱告嘅人就係啦。
The rest are of little consequence.
咁嗰啲其他嘅軍隊嘅人都唔係話係重要嘅，主要係嗰啲前面嘅領導者。
So that his hands remain steady till sunset.
所以呢，佢就係舉高嘅時候，一直到黃昏嘅時候，
The hands of Moses were steady till sunset by the support of Aaron and Hur.
因為得着呢個嘅亞倫同埋戶珥嘅支持嘅時候呢，摩西嘅手呢係舉高到一直到黃昏嘅時候，
Steady in the place of prayer.
佢哋喺祈禱嘅地方，
They were praying till sunset.
佢哋係祈禱一直到黃昏嘅時候。
And the Bible says,
咁啊，聖經咁樣話呢，
so Joshua overcame the Amalekite army with a sword.
就喺第13節呢，就咁樣講，約書亞呢用刀殺了亞瑪力王和他的百姓。
And the hands were up, the Amalekites were falling and falling, and the sword was just getting them down, and getting them down, and getting them down, getting them down.
摩西係舉個手嘅時候，約書亞喺個山谷一路係打一個打第二個，全部將嗰啲亞瑪力嘅軍隊呢完全打晒，就全部都係殺晒。
The primary responsibility of spiritual leadership is to pray.
呢個屬靈嘅領導者嘅主要責任就係祈禱。
The primary responsibility of spiritual leadership is to pray.
呢個嘅教會嘅領導嘅階層呢，佢主要嘅責任係要祈禱。
The number one person makes prayer his specialty.
第一個人呢，佢嘅主要嘅專門嘅地方係祈禱。
Others can specialize in other things, but the
其他
number one
嘅人呢
person specializes
可
in
以
prayer.
專嚟其他嘅事工，但係第一個嘅人一定要祈禱係佢最專嘅地方。
Nous te recommandons la lecture de ces livres pour approfondir le sujet. N'oublie pas de laisser un commentaire, de t'abonner et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne manquer aucune de nos prochaines vidéos.